Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
I congratulate all of you, my colleague, my elder brother, Sir Kuldeep Singh Ji, respected principal madam, staff and students. On this 72nd Republic Day, I congratulate all of you here. Basically, on this day, a constitution was adopted in 1950. After we got independent on 15th August, this day was the day when a constitution was framed. Let me also tell you, it is the result of all those ancestors who sacrificed their lives to get independent. And on this day, when the constitution was framed, we became totally republic. So I heartily congratulate all of you. And on this day, a special message for you, because you are the future of the country. Go what our teachings which we have been given, which we have been taught in the school, and which our gurus taught us. So thank you and happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पे मरने वालों का यही मौके निशान। Chairman sir, Madam Principal, all the staff members, students, I congratulate you, all of you, on the 72nd Republic Day today. The freedom of India was achieved by many sacrifices. Many people sacrificed their lives to attain the independence. And India became republic in 1950. Independence came in 47, 15th August 47. But in January, 26th January 1950, it became a secular state, democratic republic, and the Constitution of India was formed by Dr. Ambedkar. And I know this year has been very hard for all of you. Missing the classes, and many people lost their businesses, many people lost their jobs. And this year has been very hard for all of us. And we hope the new year, 21st, will be a good one, a progressive one. And students, I would like to give you a special message today. Now it is a time, I know you had been hard studying this year, but this is the time you have to tighten your belts. And this 1 month you have to work hard, study, because you are going to have another life after schooling. And you only will progress if you get good marks. And I hope you all work hard, and you promise to me that you work hard this time and make the name of the school recognized all over the valley. You promise? Yes, sir. Okay, very good. And in the end, I just wish you all the best and thank you everybody, all of you. Have a very happy new year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
A very warm welcome to Guru Nanak Public Schools, children, parents, and the teaching fraternity. We are all celebrating today our 72nd Republic Day. Let me wish you all on the 72nd Republic Day. I hope this Republic Day brings us happiness, prosperity, and let us hope that we overcome this problem of COVID in this year, and I hope 2021 will be a better year for us, and I hope that we open our schools in a full-fledged manner and the children again start enjoying their school. I hope this young country attains many milestones in every sphere, be it science, be it culture, or be it in military strength. We hope we become a stronger nation day by day. Thank you very much.
I take this opportunity to greet all on the 72nd Republic Day of our country. The freedom was hard fought, and even harder still is retaining the freedom and upholding the principles of our republic, respecting our constitution. I urge all the children to take oath of the constitution, to uphold its principles, especially the principle of secularism, to be with the nation, to serve the nation as a mother. God bless you all. Thank you.
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे हम सर कटाने से नहीं डरते। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। ओ देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जहां से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा